NASCAR Productions is the media arm of NASCAR, which is the stock car racing league. We do video production for teams, track sponsors, our broadcast partners, so anyone that is needing some content for their platforms, we're here to help whatever they need. I am Stephanie May, Senior Director of Production, Planning, and Content Operations at NASCAR Productions. My team was using pretty much anything that they wanted to use. Google Docs, email, text messages, all of the information was scattered all over the place. Smartsheet was a production management system that we could pull all of that information together into one place, which is what I was needing so that I could use data and get those dashboards and reports easily. We can do anything we want with Smartsheet, we just have to figure out how. So that's when I involved Prime Consulting Group.
My name's Tommy Maselli. I'm part of Prime Consulting Group. The biggest value that NASCAR has gotten working with us is the change management and adoption. The training, solution design, architecture of something that they can start using Smartsheet for and being an extension of that idea of a champion at your org.
I needed every project manager to be running their projects in a standard way with standard information. So I can take all of the data and really manage my budget versus actuals. I pulled data from our accounting system into Smartsheet, which then allows the PMs to look at their budget versus actuals in real time, and then allows me to see where we are. Smartsheet is our intelligent work management platform that we are using at NASCAR Productions to produce our world-class videos.